11 hours a week, 1 team, 0 automation. 3 days ago, the shared sales inbox, 42 unread. 3 people opening the same email at once and none of them replying first. Tag on screen, lead from Tuesday, no response. Tag, demo request, no response. Tag, urgent, will answer later, from a manager who no longer remembers what that meant. Nobody triages by priority. They triage by whatever's on screen. 4 people, 15 hours a week burned just parsing inbound, reading, deciding who owns it, and tagging it by hand. 15 hours isn't email management. It's time stolen from closing deals. By the end of this audit, you'll see exactly how many of those hours this system gave back in week 1. Here's the root cause. Not volume. Not slow people. The entry point has no owner. An email lands in the shared inbox, and at that moment, it belongs to no one. No rule decides who reads it first. No rule decides what's urgent versus what waits. Humans compensate for that manually. Manual doesn't scale. The fix: one orchestrator intercepts the email the moment it arrives, classifies intent and urgency, applies the label. For priority cases, fires a Slack alert before a human has even opened the inbox. Routing happens before the email becomes the team's problem. Gmail trigger. New email. The event fires the chain with 0 delay. N8N receives the payload. 1 node, 1 job. Prep the email for classification, nothing extra. We route this via N8N, link below. From there, the email goes to OpenAI with 1 task: determine intent and urgency, not a summary, a classification. This is where 90% of builds fail. A classification prompt with no strict output schema. The model's response maps to a Gmail label. Category assigned. No human in the loop. If urgency clears the threshold, a parallel branch. Slack alert, with the email content and sender name into the team channel. 1 more risk point. A retry loop with no attempt limit. If the classification API hangs once, without a cap, that's not an error. That's an infinite wait nobody notices until the client calls to ask why anything is happening. Limit hit, the email isn't lost. It routes to a manual review queue with an alert to the technical channel. Test email. Subject, demo request. Need a response today. Send. N to 8 intercepts within milliseconds. The model classifies intent, demo request, urgency, high. Gmail label applied. Slack alert lands in the channel before a human could have even opened the inbox. Full run. Trigger to alert. 0 manual steps. 11 hours a week. That number from the opening. 15 hours spent triaging inbound before the system. 4 hours after. 11 hours given back to the team in week 1. Not money in an account. Time that now goes into closing deals instead of sorting email. If you're running a SaaS customer success team or a recruiting agency with a shared resume inbox, same hole. An entry point with no owner, priority decided by gut feel, hours leaking out before anyone even notices there's a problem. Comment triage below, and I'll send you the build.